Let me introduce you to the set that will be on all of our shopping list this year. This is the Biossance Glow Forth Be Bright holiday set that comes with 2 best-selling minis and the cutest ornament style packaging. You get the vitamin C rose oil and you also get the Omega Repair Cream. Not only is this the perfect gift for friends, mom, dad, you name it, it is only $25. I mean, look at how cute this baby Omega Repair is. This cream is deeply moisturizing, nourishing, and plumping without leaving a greasy afterfeel. It is also such a good base for under my makeup, which you know I will be using for all of the holiday celebrations. And okay, this vitamin C rose oil, oh my goodness, cuteness overload. This luxe and lightweight oil brightens, firms, while giving you a radiant and healthy glow. I'm definitely gifting this to everyone, including myself. The value is amazing, these products are universal, and I mean the set is just adorable.